Hi guys, this is Geoffrey from Titan Robotics. Today I wanted to explain you the difference between our standard and pro test stand so you can figure out which one is the right for you. If you've been on our website, you will probably see that we have two versions of our flight stand test stands, the standard and the pro. If you look at the datasheet, the differences between the two stands are bolded. The first difference is in the sampling rate, with 50 Hz for the standard version and 1000 Hz with the pro version. You can accomplish a lot with 50 Hz sampling rate, like static measurement of thrust, torque, voltage, and current. For example, you can create basic comparison graphs of throttle versus thrust or RPM versus torque. The 1000 Hz sampling rate allows you to go a step further and characterize things like torque ripple, the effect of propeller wake on obstacles, and reaction time. It also allows you to perform in-depth analysis of current, voltage, and vibration. In addition to the high sampling rate, the Pro version comes with two analog inputs where you can connect any analog sensors of plus minus 10 volt differential like a pressure sensor or an acoustic probe. Another key difference is with the calibration standard. The standard versions of the tool has an internal calibration standard with 26 points for thrust and 30 points for torque. The Pro version comes with an ISTM calibration standard with over 200 calibration points. This allows us to have extremely precise measurement, which leads me to my next point. One of the most important differences between the two stands is the measurement accuracy. With our standard test stands, there is a constant max possible error along the testing range. For the Pro version, the max possible error is a percentage of the measured value. Here's how that looks on the graph. At the lower end of the testing range is where the difference is most important. Say we're measuring a 3 kgf or 30 newtons of thrust with the flight stand 15. With the standard version, the error on all values is 1.5 newtons, which is 5% of the 30 newtons we are measuring. With the Pro version, the error would be 0.5% of the measured value, so 0.15 newtons. This is a 10 times difference. At the upper end of the testing range, the difference starts to narrow, but it still exists. To wrap up, I think there are many clients from whom a standard version of our stands would work well, but there are a few situations where the Pro would be important. You want to dynamically characterize your motors and propellers, you need precise data on current, voltage, and vibration, or you're measuring in the lower end of the test stand range. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out to me for more information.